Bill Wiseman here in our shop. We're on one of our famous workbenches, and as you can see, it's kind of messy. That's because we work. But what I have here is a new design of a pistol test fixture, and I'm going to go through it just a little bit here and how the thing works and how to put it all together. The side plate is held on with some screws. All you do is pull that side plate off, and then of course the 1911 comes right off. This whole mechanism has a recoil adjuster to it, which allows it to recoil back and forth. You can see this move back and forth. So depending on the caliber, you can adjust the recoil on it so it only goes back so far, which enables the pistol to function. The trigger mechanism is all pneumatic. You press a button, that air, and it operates a rod in here that touches the firing pin, which is right here. Well, anyway, you take the 1911 pistol, for which this one is set up for, and you set it into the inserts. And you take the other insert, put it on. Now these inserts are not rubber, they do not give. There was another pistol rest called a ransom rest, which is a very good piece of equipment, but it has rubber inserts, and of course as you tighten them up, they just give and give and give, and on a polymer gun you can actually crush the frame. On our system it doesn't do that. And when this particular one is fired, everything goes straight to the rear. There is no up and down movement of the pistol. There's no side play or anything. It's just straight recoil back. So that means the repeatability of this system is the same place all the time. I've been working on this idea for a long, long time. As you can see by the emblem, U.S. Marine Corps shooting team. I was part of that for 16 years. And I just had to put something up there to take up the space. But anyway, you tighten these up just so they're snug, because the inserts do not cave in or give. And there you have it. And she is ready to shoot. You can put a magazine in through the bottom, you let it go. When you push a button, this trigger mechanism goes forward, and it goes bang. I think it's a pretty cool system. You have a table here for elevation, and the base is slotted so that you can move it left or right. Once you get it on target, you just lock it all down. So all the recoil is just straight back. And again, there is no up and down of this or left and right. Now one thing in regards to this is going to test how good your pistol shoots. But you don't know that until you take our barrel test fixture, and this tests the barrel all by itself. So you take the barrel out of the pistol, put it in this fixture, shoot it at 15 or 25 yards, whatever it may be. Find out what size group the pistol shoots. Then assemble the barrel into the pistol, put it into the fixture, and then shoot the pistol as complete. If the barrel shoots, let's just say 1 inch, and your pistol shooting 2.5 inches, You don't have a problem with the barrel. You have a problem with the mechanism on how the barrel is being locked up and unlocks. So both of these can work in conjunction with each other. And if I do say so myself, it's a pretty nifty contraption. We're going to have some more videos and more extensive tests here later on, but we just wanted to bring this to the attention to you right now, and we'll see where it goes. There's a video already posted to show the shooting. It ejects, feeds flawlessly. But we can take the same, put different adapters in there for a Glock or for a SIG or a Beretta, and different calibers. So other than that, it's pretty good. I can't think of anything right this second. So we'll leave it at that, and then you can go ahead and take a look at the videos. If you're interested, just give us a call. And in the future, we will be doing testing of individual barrels and their own pistols to determine how good the barrel is and how good their 45s are, or whatever pistol that they have. So that's going to be coming up this year. Other than that, Semper Fi. Adios.